Today we are looking at the XYZ RLX 555 ProTurn lathe. There are 8 machines in the ProTurn family, so if you are looking for a different size, please check out our website. The machine is fitted with a ProtoTrack RLX touchscreen control. The ProtoTrack control was first introduced into the UK in the early 1990s. It was an immediate success and revolutionised many machine shops. The control has both manual and CNC functions with a simple to use interface, which gives you the ability to make low volume and one-offs very quickly and easily, plugging the gap between manual and CNC machines. The RLX 555 is a solid cast iron machine with one-piece bed and base and induction hardened ways. It comes in 3 sizes, 1 metre, 1.75 metre and 3 metre, and all come with a 104mm spindle bore and 560mm of swing over the bed. They all have a maximum spindle speed of 1800 RPM, and combined with constant surface speed, you have everything you need to produce components with a great finish. The 2-speed headstock is built using Japanese induction hardened and high quality precision ground bearings, thus ensuring thermal stability, quiet running and a long life. There are 2 interlocked guards on the machine. The chuck guard allows you to use the machine with the main guard up, making it easy to set up the machine and do those manual operations. When you want to use the machine in full CNC mode, you can close down the main door, keeping all the swarf and coolant inside the machine. The 555 has a front opening easy access swarf tray, making light work of swarf removal and reduces the amount of space required at the rear of the machine. The latest touchscreen control gives you easy programming and easy use of graphics, including zooming to see intricate details. A big feature of the new control is the graphic screen is always on during programming, benefiting the operator with ultimate confidence. EPA, or Advanced ProtoTrack Assistance, is an onboard reference guide built into every touchscreen control. It's filled with instructions, diagrams and videos that help users get the answers they need when they need them. The RLX 555 comes with a heavy tailstock. It has 2 clamp points, which prevents movement when machining components between centres. Repositioning is made effortless and is achieved by providing an air cushion that lifts the tailstock from the bed. If you want more production, you can have the machine fitted with a 4-position automatic tool post or an 8-station automatic turret. The machine is fitted with a 3-jaw 315mm diameter steel chuck with options for a drilling attachment, 4-jaw chuck, face plates and a full range of fixed or travelling steadies. The machine has been designed for a wide range of operators, from someone who has no CNC experience right through to the most seasoned programmer. There are plenty of features to help you produce a wide range of components, from producing tapers and radii in manual mode through to the optional DXF file converter, which makes easy work of electronic drawings. We strongly believe that it is important for our customers to see a machine in action before they make a purchase. So if you'd like to arrange a demonstration, give us a call today using the number on the screen. We will then arrange for a no obligation demonstration at one of our nationwide showrooms or with a local user.